Hello everyone! In this day we are going to talk about the consonant in English. We structure this video in 4 parts. What are consonants, how it is produced the sound, the classification, and we prepare a simple exercise to practice this topic.
Hi everyone, I'm Marley and today I'm going to talk about English consonants. English consonants are the letters that make sounds when you block or partly stop all the air coming out of your mouth. You use your lips, tongue, teeth, or throat to make this sound. In English exist 24 consonants. These are the 24 consonants.
English sounds are produced with air coming from the lungs. The air goes up of the trachea to the larynx where the vocals fall to sound. Vibrate, voiced sounds. No vibration, voiced sounds. The air then moves through the pharynx, which adds resonance. Next, the air can excite through the mouth, kiss most sounds, the nose, when the soft palate lowers the nasal sound. The final shape of the sound comes from the articulator. Tongue controls height and position, creates sounds like lips used for sounds like and rolling vowels. Teeth important for an hard soft palate, help form sounds like.
Now we are going to talk about the classification of the consonant. There are 3 important things in this part: the manner of articulation, the place of articulation, and voicing. Now I am going to talk about the manner of articulation. It's important to understand how the sound is produced. We can find 6 different ways. Plosive. In this, the sound produced when the air is completely blocked and then realized. Imagine like a little explosion when the sound get out. Fricatives is when the air creates friction because it doesn't have enough space to come out. It is produced this sound. A fricative is the combination between the previous sound, first plosives and then fricatives. Nasal, the air doesn't come out through the mouth, come out through the nose, next is the lateral. The air passes along the sides of the tongue. Approximants. The sound produced when the narrowing of the vowel tract, but not to cause friction. So, to finish this part, you can listen the sound of each one.
As in the word pie, b. As in the word boy, t. As in the word toy, d. As in the word dog, k. As in the word key, g. As in the word gift, f. As in the word fun, v. As in the word very, th. As in the word think, th. As in the word this, s. As in the word sun, z. As in the word zoo, sh. As in the word show, zh. As in the word vision, h. As in the word home, ch. As in the word chair, j. As in the word job, as in the word map. As in the word nice. As in the word thing. As in the word let. Sound r, as in the word run. As in the word yes. As in the word way.
Now I'm going to talk about where the sound is produced. It depends on which part of the vowel tract touch or come close to each other. We can find 7 places. First, bilabial. Both lips come together. Labiodental. Lower lips touch upper lip. Dental. Tongue touch the lip. Alveolar. Tongue touch the alveolar right. Post-alveolar, tongue just behind the alveolar right. Velar, the back of the tongue touch the soft palatal. Glottal, sound made in the glottis. And these are the pronunciation of the words mentioned.
As in the word pie. As in the word boy. As in the word map. As in the word fun. As in the word very. As in the word think. As in the word this. As in the word toy. As in the word dog. As in the word sun. As in the word zoo. As in the word nice. As in the word let. Sh, as in the word show. Zh, as in the word vision. Ch, as in the word chair. J, as in the word job. K, as in the word key. G, as in the word gift. As in the word thing. As in the word home.
Now I'm going to talk about the voicing when the sound is voiced or voiceless, depending on the vibration of the vocal cords. It is divided in 2 parts. First, voice consonants. The vocal cords vibrate when making these sounds. This happens when air passes through the throat and the vocal cords close tightly. These are the voice consonants. Second, voiceless consonants. There are no vibration in the vocal cords when pronouncing these sounds. Air passes without closing the vocal cords. They are the voiceless consonants. For example, in B, the vocal cords vibrate. In P, there is no vibration of the vocal cords. This difference is due to how sounds are made and how speech organs, like lips, tongue, are used with airflow.
Finally, we prepare a simple exercise so that you can practice the new knowledge. In the first part, you can see a consonant and you have to say what the sound is like.
Way. Zoo. Toy. Very. Job.
Thank
Thank you. Bye bye.